Okay friends, just open your settings application. Okay, then select camera from the left side. Just swipe up, then select camera and select the first option, record video. And you can see the right side, you can see it is 720p at 35 frames per second. So here you can change it to 180p, that means full HD resolution, by simply click. I'm using my iPad 3, so it is only support 2 versions, but your mobile phone or your iPad have more options like 4K or any 8K and more formats. So in this way you can easily change it to HD recording to full HD recording, that means 720p to 1080p at 30 fps. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as videos so I can easily watch and understand it. And normally those settings are appear in camera, but iPhone and iPad, it is included in settings application, not in camera. That's one of the weird thing Apple do. So they are arrange all kind of settings in settings application. That means you need to change some formats, you must go to the settings and change from there. But in new iOS models are changing, so maybe they include the features on a camera application in future. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.